So this time of season is great. It's the end of tomato season. We've got these beautiful ripe tomatoes coming. Colder weather is a good time for some consommé, some broth, some warm dishes coming up. So we like to use these green tomatoes, tomatoes that are falling off the vine, all sorts that we've got here that we're just gonna grab. We're gonna roast these up and make a beautiful consommé out of these. As we're walking through the garden, we've got beautiful basil, all these herbs coming to seed around this time of year. These are the beautiful herbs and aromats that will fulfill our consommé and really good for your natural digestion. And as we come over to here, we have our beautiful lemongrass that's ready to go, sprouting up. This adds that depth and that citrus flavor to our consommé. And we can just reach in and grab a beautiful piece right here that's ready to go. You just peel off that. And there's beautiful, nothing like lemongrass straight from the garden. As we keep walking, we have our beautiful harder herbs, some of our thyme, which will go fantastic in this tomato consommé to add that richness and savory. Again, the citrus and thyme is an amazing anti-inflammatory herb that helps with your gut balance. This is all what we're doing here. Now we've got our beautiful green onions. We can just pull out nice, satisfying green onion pulled straight from the dirt. It's going to add some beautiful flavor to our consommé as well. As we continue through our garden here, this is beautiful sawtooth coriander. Now, a lot of us who grow coriander at home, we can be quite fickle. It comes on quick and it dies very quick. This is a beautiful substitute if you're looking for it. This is sawtooth coriander. It's a South American herb that grows amazing in Australia. It is quite hard. It is called sawtooth for a reason, but this is fantastic for sauces, for broths. It has that same flavor as coriander. You can grow it yourself and don't worry about it dying and losing its flavor. Of course, to finish off most of our dishes here at Gwinganna, we're going to use these beautiful flowers, all edible, exploding through our garden. These beautiful leaves add that beautiful finishing touch that you need on any dish that we have. So we've got some galangal, which is ready for harvesting here. So it's a beautiful root, similar to ginger, turmeric. This one has a lot of, it's kind of like a citrusy ginger. Adds that beautiful flavor to the consommé that we're gonna use. We're gonna clean it off, we're gonna dry it out a little bit, and then we're gonna shred it, grate it into our thing. See that beautiful yellow flesh there?